Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I am back again with another video showing you all our favorite products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today's first product is going to be this. Firstly, this is a 3-in-1 product. You have the benefit of three things in one. Let me show you. Number one is this beautiful, cute mirror. Second is this light, amazing. And third is this fan. Wow. You get to experience three different things in one. Again, very handy. Goes inside your wallet or bag easily. You don't have to carry a mirror and a fan and a different light. This is going to be very useful. And the color combination, as you can see, it's in pink and white. We have in different combinations. Whichever one you would prefer, your favorite color will be there and it's available, so you can contact us and you will get that. So yeah, this is a very good product, very fun. One of our best sellers, honestly, because the 3-in-1 product that this is, it stands out among all the other products. So yeah, if you like it, please do get it. Okay, moving on to our next product is these. Now, firstly, I love them. Why? Because something which is very useful. These are paper soaps. So I'll just show you. This is how they look like, and this comes in this small holder, so you don't have to lose them. There's no point of that. You just carry this whole thing in your bag. Very useful when you're traveling, especially. I know this is like a savior for me and for everyone in our team when we are traveling. And one important thing is that it has different smells. So this is blueberry, this is pineapple, and there are innumerous smell options. This smells really good, and you can just use them. Very handy, and there are many, so you don't, this is not going to get over anytime soon. Just have fun with this and just carry it in your bag and you're good to go. So again, there are different the colors, as you can see, they vary. So the smell, so whichever one you like, whichever smell you prefer, you can get it. Okay, moving on to our next product are these. Now, what is this? This is a jewelry organizer. So your jewelry organizer box, this is how it looks like. There are different compartments for chains. Then there are different compartments here. You can put your rings, you can put your earrings here. Anything you want, you can put it. So very nice, very cute, very handy. Comes in different color. These are just two options. Now you get it in orange, you get it in white, different options. So whichever one you like, you can go for it. Very cute, very handy. You will going to stay organized with these. Okay, moving on to our next product is this. Now this is for the kids. Now this is a cute game which we have brought in recently, quite recently. So I'll just show it to you how it looks like. So this is a little game. As you can see, you can just move these beads, and then the points, there are on and off, there are everything, whichever thing you want. And this also you can put so that the balls get into place. Very fun, very innovative to take your children away from the phones. This is something you should invest in, I feel. They're going to have fun yet not get bored. So we have different options here as well. This is just one of them, and we have included this recently. So if you like it, please take it. All right, moving on to our next product is this. I know I have shown this to you previously, but this is our best seller. So we like, the stock comes in and it just goes away within days because of this unique piece. This is a burger lamp. There's this switch, you click it, and this is so flexible. In whichever way you want, you can just twist it around and you will get it. If you want to stretch it more, make it more taller, if you want to squeeze it down, whichever way you want, you can put it. Now this comes in, you can put your USB in this, so it is also fun. And this is just one option. As I always say, we have innumerable lamps, table lamps, study lamps, night lamps, whichever one you like, you can go for it. This is our bestseller, that is why I have shown you this. But, and as you can see, very unique, like yummy, right? So again, you get in different combinations, different things, whichever one you like, you can get it. Okay, moving on to our next product is this huge briefcase. Now, what is inside this is what we are going to see. So I'm opening it. This is a set of colors, all right? So this is how it looks like. There are two sides to it. Let me show it to you. As you can see, now there are plenty of things, from watercolor to watercolor palette, brushes, crayons, pencil colors, and even highlighter pens. You have everything in one set. An amazing gift for your children. I'll just show you few examples. This is a watercolor. It comes in with two different brushes. As you can see, two separate, palette for coloring. I'll just show it to you. This is how they look like. Then we have crayon sets, different colors. There are multiple colors, oil pastels, and again, very good quality. We have pencil colors, and it comes in with sharpener, eraser. So it's like a full-on stationery kit for the art lovers out there. And then a set of highlighters. Now again, there are different colors and there are two sides. So this is, let's say, the broad side. As you can see, comparatively this is thicker, and then in the same one itself you get the thinner side. So what else do you need if you get everything in one set? Very cool. And it's the briefcase situation that is happening. I think that is only what makes it more interesting and more cool. So the outer cover, as you saw, it's pink, but we have different other options. Whichever one you like, you can get it. All right, so moving on to our next product is these two. Now I personally love them because I'm a huge fan of water sippers, anything where you can where it's aesthetic and it's fun, it's pretty. So these are the two options that I'm showing it to you. Firstly, the quality of the glass, amazing. Secondly, it comes in with a wooden lid, so there's no point of your water getting spilled, your juice is getting spilled. With a straw, which is equally good. And look at the cute prints. We have innumerous options, and the best part is you can get it customized. You can put your name, your friend's name here. As you can see, we have customized this one. See, and it has little strawberries, and I just love it. It's so elegant, so cute. And to have a personalized touch like this, I'm sure it feels amazing. So different options we have. If you want to go for designs, existing designs, or if you want to go for customization for names, if you want to write your date of birth, anything, we get it done. So whichever one you like, you can go for it. Okay, so our last product is the cutest product, and I have shown it to you, I know, but I just can't wait to show it to you again. Are these cute little mini fans. Now, what is better than these handy fans when you are existing in this hot and humid weather? It makes your life easier. You don't have to carry, you're feeling hot, you just carry it in your pocket, even if not wallet. Very easy to carry, and I love it. You just need to press the switches and it's just so easy. Yeah, definitely something you should get, and something which is going to be a fun activity for you while you get some air. And yeah, I think I've covered more or less everything I wanted to, and I hope you liked today's video. Please let me know which one was your favorite. Just in case, our store is in Kolkata. If you want to visit, please do visit. I insist, because like that you can come and see the products, you can touch them, you can see the different color options. I think it will be easier. And in case you're outside Kolkata, please contact us through our website, through our YouTube, Instagram, whichever one. We'll definitely get in touch with you. And I hope you liked today's video. Please let me know which one was your favorite, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.